Welcome to the Natural Tress with Jess YouTube channel. I'm Jessica, and if this is your first time coming to my channel, please consider subscribing, like the video, and click the notification bell so you can be updated on when I post all my new videos. So in today's video, I wanted to just do a quick tutorial, and also I wanted to do just a quick little review on this product. So it's from the brand Scünci, and it's as you can see right here, you can pretty much style your hair like this. However, as you can clearly see, the girl on the cover does not have natural hair like this, okay? So I wanted to see, is it real? Is it true? It says right here, it says, get the look, Hollywood Roll Hairband. Quick and easy look in under a minute. Styling tool and accessory all in one. Okay, 3 easy steps. Quick step-by-step instructions for this. So I actually wanted to see how it would work on natural hair like this, okay? So I've used this before, however, when I had my hair in 2-strand twists. And I kind of manipulated it a little just so it would blend, and making sure that I don't see any of the pieces or any of the headband, that headband piece. I wanted to make sure that, you know, everything is hidden, okay? Nice and secured and nice and hidden. This seems like it would be cute if you were, you know, if you wanted to do a casual look, okay? Or if you wanted to do like a formal look. I'm sure it probably depends on the actual headband you get, okay? So I actually have 4 different headbands, okay? And I've only tried I've only tried 1. Well, I got these from Bed Bath & Beyond. They were on sale for like $3. I'm not sure how much they are now, but I'm sure that you can probably find them either at Bed Bath & Beyond. I've even seen them at CVS, Walgreens. You can probably also get them on Amazon. I will just put a link in the description on where you can find them. I was actually given this one as a gift, and this one is actually really nice and elegant. So that's why I said I'm sure you can probably just jazz that up if you want to, like, if you want to do like a cute last minute hairstyle. So I'm taking this one. So I'm just going to do this one. So this style, as you can see, it's actually, this one's cute. Now, when I've done this before, I've always had all of my hair going back, but since I feel like I have some side bangs going on here, I don't know, I have like a cute little middle part. I'm probably just gonna have the headband start here, right here. Okay, but as you can see, the woman in the video clearly does not have natural hair. So I'm going to see if I can follow the steps to get my hair to fit into this Hollywood roll, okay? So I realize that my hair is pretty full right now, so I'm actually just going to put it in a ponytail, since the first step says, step 1, smooth hair and position Hollywood roll over crown of head as shown. The Hollywood roll must be positioned at the lower back of the head, okay? So like you see here in step 1. So I'm going to do that. As I said before, I'm going to leave these sides out. And I'm just going to use one of my ponytail holders right here. And no, this video is not sponsored by Scünci. But I do have this satin ponytail holder. So I'm going to position it as low as I can. Okay, as low as I can, as you see right here. All right, and smooth it back. All right, I'm going to put it to the middle. And they said it should only take about 1 minute. So let's see if I can get to 1 minute. Okay. Okay, now I'm tucking. Okay. And right now, I'm not using any bobby pins just yet. Of course, I know I probably will have to make sure that it is nice and secured. I'm just literally tucking and rolling. Literally tucking and rolling. Tuck and roll. How does it look so far? It's tuck and roll. Wow, this is crazy. I actually am tucking and rolling. Okay, so right now off the bat, I see this brown is still sticking out, okay? So the brown is still sticking out. So let's see how we can, the only way I can think of covering it is with that, but I think I'm still gonna leave the size out, but let me see. I'm gonna have to continue to tuck and roll and probably cover it with a bobby pin or a hairpin. So I do have a hairpin right here. We do not want any brown showing, so let's cover that up right here. Okay, I just put a bobby pin there. And I'm going to smooth it down again because I want it smooth. I don't want it puffy or anything like that. So I'm gonna smooth it down. Keep tucking, rolling, tuck and roll. And I'm gonna smooth it down. And I'm gonna put another bobby pin on this side. Okay, so we don't want any brown showing, and we want it smooth. Okay, nice and smooth. It actually looks pretty full, and that clearly took longer than a minute. Okay, so that took a little longer than a minute, but this is how it's looking. So you do have a cute little headband, and you have a little roll and tuck in the back. Okay, so if you want it smoothed down a little more, you can just smooth it down and, you know, probably keep tucking at it. But yeah, this is a cute little style. And I have my little sides out right here. Okay, so this is very much giving a cute little textured pin roll. Okay, so yeah, I would say it's definitely giving a cute little textured pin roll, tuck and roll. I think it's really cute. So I would actually try this with the different headbands. But yeah, so I actually like how I have the two sides out. I love how it's very textured. It looks very full as well. And if you don't want the hair out, you can just always pin it back, or you could roll it back or braid it back. It's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you, but I would just, yeah. Or, so yeah, if you didn't want, no, leave it out. I like the two pieces hanging down. If you don't like it hanging down, then you can just put all your hair back and then have the headband start from here and then just push it back like that. Yeah, and then just push it back. So this is how it looks. Or if you feel like you might not have enough hair to cover it, then you can always wrap a piece of extra hair that you have maybe lying around, a couple of strands, braiding hair or twisting hair. Wrap it around the actual roll. Wrap it around the brown so that we don't see that, and so that it blends seamlessly with your own hair, okay? So that is it. Thank you for watching my video, and see you next time. Bye.